Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the Serpentine belt on the Toyota Camry. It's very simple, and this is the part number. Remove the right front wheel to expose this access panel. Two 10mm bolts and a plastic clip behind the fender liner. The plastic clip broke while I was trying to take it off. Luckily I have more of these plastic clips. Once that panel is removed, you have full access to the crank pulley and the AC compressor pulley, which the Serpentine belt goes around. Going back up top to the engine bay, locate the tensioner pulley, which is right below the alternator. Using the old school double wrench trick, I have limited tools and the AC line is in the way, so this just gives me more leverage. Pull on the tensioner towards the front of the car. This will create slack in the belt, so you'll be able to slide the belt out. But before you do, make sure you see where the belt goes, and there should be a diagram either under the hood or in your owner's manual. One thing you should expect is the older belt will be a little bit more loose than the new one as it has stretched over time, so it will come out easy and the new one will be a bit harder to put in just because it's more tight. It's always a good idea to put the old part next to the new part and just compare them visually. Not only has the writing on the belt been erased, but there's also some micro cracks on the old belt. I started from the bottom. I put the belt around the crank pulley and the AC compressor pulley. There are videos showing that this job can be done by one person by inserting a pin into the tensioner pulley. However, this did not work out because the area is very tight. So it became a two-man job. I went at the bottom. I secured the belt around the crank pulley and the AC compressor pulley, held it in place while the other guy from the top did his thing. As I mentioned earlier, the new belt will be tighter and harder to put in. So the belt went around this pulley last because this pulley does not have a lip on the end. Like the alternator pulley, the crank pulley, and a lot of other pulleys had a lip on them. Because the belt is new and tight, it was a struggle to slide it all the way onto that pulley. And you can see it hanging a bit on the edge. There are two tricks you can do. Either put some kind of a wrench around the crank pulley and turn the engine clockwise, or just give it some cranks with the key and then it will sit on it correctly, perfectly. Make sure you don't have any tools or loose objects in there.
One more? One more? Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
And there it is, job done. Put everything back, close this access panel, put the wheel back, and you're all done.